I'm Dan Van, Field Service Technician with Westmor, and today we're changing a nozzle. The equipment we're using today is going to be pipe dope, a wire brush, the nozzle that you're going to replace, some wrenches, gloves, cones, and high vis. Before changing the nozzle, make sure you trip the shear valve so that fuel doesn't come out while you're changing the nozzle. If you're unsure of which shear valve is the one for the product that you're changing the nozzle on, just trip them all and then you can reset them after. Then you can grab your nozzle and bring it over to the ground. I like to put an absorbent towel down to protect the ground from any leaks or anything that happens from the nozzle while you're taking it off. Sometimes it can be really hard. If it's too hard, just get a pipe wrench and then that'll make it a little bit easier. So now that I have it twisted off a little bit, it's not leaking yet, so we protect against spills. But now I just want to finish it over a bucket. Boom. We're left with the threads on the swivel itself. And you'll notice that it's got a lot of gunk on it from before. That's pipe dope, that's old pipe dope. So this is where a wire brush comes in play. If it's really gunky, you want to clean it up. Then you get your pipe dope out, stir it up a little bit. And then you just brush it onto the threads. Just a small coating of it, enough to cover the threads. Then you take your nozzle, spin it until it starts spinning the swivel here. And then you just do the reverse with your tools. Tighten it up. You don't want to Hercules tighten this thing because eventually someone's going to have to take it off. Just get it to a point where it's pretty tight and then just try to go a little bit more. And that concludes changing a nozzle. If you have any questions, you can contact us at Westmor. You can order parts from us as well if you need any nozzles or anything that you saw in the video here today. Thanks for watching.